She was walking through the cornfields on a typical Friday night when she discovered something truly horrifying. It started off innocently as she was minding her own business, thinking she was completely alone. But once she got deeper into the field, she noticed a group of people standing in a circle, completely silent. The creepiest part? They weren't even acknowledging her presence, almost like they were in some kind of trance. Now frightened but curious, she decided to get closer to see what was happening. And what she captured next left millions disturbed, because as she moved in, she realized they were performing some sort of ritual in the middle of nowhere. She had no idea what they were doing or why they chose this location, so she just stood there, watching her new friends in complete silence. To this day, she has no explanation for what she witnessed that night. If you know what this ritual was, please let us know.